So hi, hello everyone, welcome back to Richard Cut Professional. So after a long time I brings back something like wolf haircut, which is audience also is demanding, and one of my model also is particularly it came for such a haircut. So today we're going to be start certain kind of haircut which is called the wolf haircut. In that we are not notching and shorten it in the curtain bangs and fringes, and she mentioned which is something like below the eyes and which can be carried with both the sides flexibly, such kind of curtain bangs. And three subsections we're just taking with a big horseshoe sections kind of, and already the fringe portions got separated, and one more section is got take, and already one section is got separated. So like that we gradually just taking as sections for according to the parameter of the hairlines and according of the density and all these things. But fortunately she have a good density and such a silk and thick good hair. Already you guys have seen the presentations before start the layers, how was complete of the haircut flowing was really nice, and rest of the hair just taking back completely in one section. And after that these are the section I'm going to be explain help up to the comb as well, and back portion just taking to the back, and the side bias I'm just taking forward and back as well. So finally we just take separate with side by side sections and start one length haircut for before start the layer. Just find the point of the hair which is we are going to be trim, because I wanted perfectly with carry the guidelines and create a foundations which are more stronger than before existing layers. So which is going to be something is a base mat, and we are just putting on benchmark up to the layers which is called wolf haircut. And you guys all are know very well about how will be done the wolf haircut. Certain longs shorten and it will becomes a curtain bangs is so shorten, and initially the models is refused to be take such a haircut, but one of my models took risk on herself to do something good experiment on the haircut which is called the wolf one, and she particularly showing that is she wanted something more layers and bouncy and thickness flexible movement on the hair. So that's why we just take as this haircut for a complete up to the haircut carry forward to and maintenance as well. So she's know very well about to how to carry forward. So overall both the sides I'm just taking before the creating the base length sides as well, and finally I'm start with the back portions a 90-degree. So taking one more sections, all the things are side by side and just cutting according to the hairlines. And giving to section by sections to the cut. And one side section is going to be finished. So completely taking with the 90-degree layers overall. After that I'm cross checking, and finally I'll come to another side. Same way I'm carrying forward with the layers, and the consistency I'm just maintaining the same previous guideline and carrying forward. to the next section. After that, I'm cross-checking that too, both the sides. So I'll come to the side portion, to the overlapping with the slightly towards the back, because wanted something in the forward layer as well to graduate with both the sides and front and back. The movement will become really nice end of the day. So that's we have a concept after the haircut. After that, I'm cross-checking. So another side also will be same way we want to be given the layers. After that, I'm cross-checking. So finally we're going to be release the crown portion, the both big horseshoe sections. From in that, I'm just overlapping exactly center of the crown on both the sides, and just take to the center profile and take with the center of the exactly the crown portion as a guideline, and giving to with them as well with 90-degree layers over all the hair, because the hair is a bit shortened and there is nothing much longer, and we are going to be create more layers on the hair without compromising the bottom length as well, without tail, and at the same time the density, also the consistency, we just hanging up to the layers all the sides, we giving with more flexibility. And one side is got finished and another side also doing the same way. So I hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So we launch every time with new kind of haircuts, and please let me know in the comments how was the haircuts, and if you have any doubts and questions, please put it on the comments below. I'll definitely reply for that. And after that, I'm cross-checking. So finally we're coming for a cut and bangs, and before that, the side all hair I'm just taking and giving with forward layers. With the side sections. After that, another side too, with same way. So finally I come to with cut and bangs and fringe portions. So in this, I'm just lighting with something overlapping to one side to another side to the opposite side, just taking to the that side to opposite eyes and just slicing the down portions. And this side here also I'm just taking with another way, and just took small guideline, and another side just as giving with slicing. After that I'm creating the rest of the hair on top of that layers, and reducing with something like curveness and thickness as well to make flexible. So this is the complete of my haircut. It's got finished, and finally we're just shaking after the hair and just showing it overall the hair. And my client was really happy after seeing that messy look of the haircut without blow dry. Then finally we start with section by section blow dry, step by step, small sections. With subsections we divide it in the bottoms, and top of that the side by side we are just gradually going, because these are this medium to short hair, and the 1-2 sections we cannot be finished on the blow dry. And finally this is a complete of the blow dry got finished. So that will be complete of final finishing after the haircut. You can just see. So after that I'm just showing that with a step by step, with completely the before going to be given to the texture. So after that I'm adding the texture. To all the sides we're going to be add the texture, even crown portion as well. This is will be a final finishing on the haircut. So this is the final results after the haircut. Hope you all are enjoyed the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll bring the new concept after the haircut very soon. Until, take care and be safe.